Are you tired of paying full price for your favorite streaming services? What if you could enjoy premium subscriptions at a fraction of the cost? Introducing GamsGo, your platform for affordable access to popular premium services with unbeatable prices. GamsGo is an innovative platform that offers shared premium subscriptions for popular services like Netflix, ChatGPT, Spotify, Canva, Filmora, Disney Plus, and many more. By joining group-based plans, you can save up to 80% on top-rated premium services. GamsGo is a website that offers cost-effective access to a variety of premium services at budget-friendly rates. We're talking less than $3 a month in some cases. From streaming platforms to productivity tools, they've got a wide range. To explore it for yourself, go to GamsGo.com. The link's in the description. If you're new, you'll need to register. Just click Sign Up. Type in your email. You can also sign up using Google, Facebook, or Talk. Click on Continue, and you'll receive a verification code. Once verified, set your password or skip that step if you prefer. And boom, you're in. After logging in, you will find various options categorized under sections such as video, audio, AI, software, reading, security, learning, and new. By clicking on All, you can view all platforms together, including Netflix, ChatGPT, Spotify, Gamma, Canva, Autodesk, Filmora, Figma, and many more. Before purchasing any subscription, make sure to click on the profile icon first. Here, you can update your profile picture, nickname, email, or change your password. Under My Subscriptions, you'll see all your active services and order history. Need help? There's a sales support center where you can get 24/7 assistance. Want to earn while you save? GamsGo has an affiliate program where you can earn credits or commissions for every friend you refer. Just enter their email or share your referral link on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Telegram, and more. Here, by clicking on the affiliate program, I can also show you my earnings. I've earned $19, which I can easily transfer to my account. Now, let me show you how to make a purchase. To test if this was the real deal, I signed up for one of their premium streaming plans at just $4.53 a month. Surprisingly, it worked. I got access within minutes, and everything streamed flawlessly, in 4K quality, just like the official plan. Select the service you want, such as Netflix, Spotify, ChatGPT, or any other. Choose your preferred plan duration, 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. Please note, each subscription may have a different purchase plan. Next, choose between personal or group access based on your preference. Looking for extra savings? Use the promo code provided in the description for an additional discount, and don't forget to click Apply. Then click Go to Payment. You'll see 2 choices. Auto renewal charges you every month automatically. One-time payment. Pay once and use for the selected duration. You can pay via credit debit card, Google Pay, Binance, or crypto. Enter your card number and details, then click on Pay Now to complete your subscription purchase. To view your subscriptions and order history, simply click on the Subscription tab. If you run into any issues, just head over to the Sales Support Center. They're available around the clock and super helpful. Why choose GamsGo? With GamsGo, you benefit from real-time delivery, affordable pricing, secure transactions, 24/7 customer support, refund, guarantee. I've been using GamsGo for months now, and it's been fantastic, affordable and reliable. Why pay more when you can have the same premium experience for less? Visit www.gamsgo.com today and start saving on your favorite subscriptions. GamsGo, premium subscriptions, affordable prices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming!